Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my page, Money Making Juggernaut. I'm your host, Eric Richardson, the #1 educator in the asset recovery business. Today, this video is specifically for real estate agents. If you are a real estate agent, I'm going to present a niche in real estate that you may not know about. Now, if you're a real estate agent, of course you have your license, you've gone through the proper education when it comes to real estate. I'm very sure that you are aware of foreclosures, but are you aware of what occurs after a foreclosure? Okay, so in the event of a foreclosure, somebody does not pay their taxes or they do not pay their mortgage on the property. This is why it is actually being held at a sale. When the property sells at this auction, if it sells for more than what was owed, this is going to leave what is known as excess funds or surplus funds. This is an industry that many people do not know about. And as a real estate agent, I'm going to present to you how you can actually get started in this business and how you would have the upper hand compared to an average day-to-day person that does not hold their real estate license. Welcome back to my page. My name is Eric Richardson. I've been doing surplus funds for over 6 years now. If you guys are new to the channel, please go ahead and hit the like, hit the subscribe button. I have a wealth of knowledge when it comes to this industry. I have over 200 videos, and you guys can definitely learn a lot on this page. Now, if you are a real estate agent, the reason why you definitely want to get in this industry is because foreclosures are at an all-time high, guys. They've been on an uprise every single month, basically since COVID actually occurred. If foreclosures are at an increase, guess what that means? Surplus funds are at an increase because a lot of these properties have equity. Individuals don't pay their taxes or they don't pay their mortgage. They have that final judgment. The property sells for more. Well, guess what? That excess amount is due to the previous owner, and this is all in the state statute. Guys, I have a 50 state statute guide. You can go in, you can analyze a state statute for tax sale surplus, and you can analyze the statute for mortgage foreclosure surplus. This is a huge opportunity for you guys to get into this industry and make a great commission. Now, when you are a real estate agent, of course, you love selling homes. You're your own boss. You have your freedom. You're going showing properties. You're working with investors. You're doing all of that. This is a new niche that you can add to your business practice. This isn't something that you're going to change your business practice, but this is a simple industry that you can get started in. So you guys can analyze the foreclosures. So if you guys are able to view the auction calendars, all right, if you're actually able to see the tax sale results or the mortgage foreclosure results, we're looking to see properties that are selling for more than what was owed. After we analyze the properties and we identify leads, we're going to look for the previous owner because the previous owner is entitled to funds and also their heirs. Now, once we identify a property has sold for a higher amount, we know exactly who we're working with. Now we have to skip trace them. Skip tracing is analyzing their phone number, email address. You guys are already familiar with this as a real estate agent. Now, once we have that, we have to market them. Marketing is very simple, guys. You know, we can call them, we can text them, we can email them, we can send mailers. And now this is where you have the advantage as a real estate agent. You can reach out to them and say, hi, I'm a local real estate agent. I actually work with individuals in foreclosures. I analyze foreclosure sales all the time, and I notice that your property sold for a higher amount and you actually have some funds that are due back to you. So I can actually assist you with that. This is my information. And now you're going to be able to basically file the claim for them or use an attorney to file the claim for you. Guys, I have many attorneys that can actually assist you with this paperwork. Attorneys that are licensed in all 50 states. You can help individuals on the tax sale and the mortgage foreclosure side. So if this business interests you, guys, there is going to be a phone number that is in the description. I have many options that are available. You can either learn how to do this business completely on your own, or I can set up the business for you, set up everything from your website to your marketing, your CRM, to having a virtual staff for you. All of that done for you business setup so that you're just working with warm leads. So you have many options, guys. Go ahead and text the phone number that's in the description. We're looking forward to helping you out.